a bit faded, you can't see them.
Cattle grazing. So we should see some cattle up here. See, Jack?
Yeah.
I'm joking. Oh, I thought 120 million. My heart feels like it's just coming out of my chest, though.
Yeah.
Flipping neck. Steep.
Morning. So this is the second of the National Trust adventures that we're having. Joe hasn't come on this one. Joe's down there on the beach. So it's me and Jacob, and we've come to what's it called? Something Downs, is it?
Yeah.
Brean Downs.
Yeah.
And up here on top of this, apparently there's a Napoleonic fort. So me and Jacob are going to come and have a look at that.
Oh. Not that bad.
Yeah, so that is just a pillbox. Forks on the end.
So what's that?
It's just a pillbox, isn't it? A lookout.
Cool. Ay, caramba. Oh, this looks interesting. To say the least. Look at that, wind stopped a little bit, and now what I've jinxed it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a really good design, eh? Fireplace, and that's where the smoke comes out.
And they were like, well, you can get them on some sort of road, which is called around the corner from you. It takes 45 minutes to stop.
Yeah. Yeah, I look.
Everything flows down here, John. Watch out! Ah! Hey, watch out. Shut my out. You're being so good. open up taste the air. To them.
No, locked.
I think so. Somebody inside and then the techno
Yeah.
broke a little cage. It's not windy here.
You don't want to be posted on that part, would you?
Pardon?
You don't want to be posted on that end building.
I don't know. They've never been put back. A lot of it is.
Oh, that one's open, Jacob.
Drive down more
Oh, does he?
Let's give us a hand because it's very dark in here. Ah! Okay, that's some very big spots in there.
Another gun position. Where's the toilet, Jacob?
Fine.
Lots of little nooks and crannies on this, isn't there?
Pardon?
Lots of little nooks and crannies. Oh, this was the toilet as well, look. You see all the cubicles there?
Yeah. Wooden one. Sorry.
Yeah.
Through there. I put a spare at you. What will place you have a picture?
Where's that?
And that's over there. Look. Over there.
Oh, the engine house.
No.
Can't get in.
Not what I can think of. Hang on. No, not so. There is another entrance.
Oh, that side one.
Yeah. Please, please, please.
You see inside? No.
You can partly.
Hello.
Say hi.
What's your name?
Charlie.
Charlie. Hello, Charlie. Hello.
This is Ava,
Hello.
and I'm Faye.
Okay. Well, this is Jacob,
Hello.
and I'm Simon, and we are Harper Fox Adventure. So you could be on YouTube in a few weeks.
You watch that enough, don't you? So
Yeah.
you'd have to have a look. won't
Yeah,
you?
that's it. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, we will. And comment in the box below.
That's it. That's
We'll
the
put,
one.
we met you, don't we?
Yeah.
5 years time. Celebrities.
I need to come
Yeah.
up with something to do. I got made redundant on Monday.
Oh,
so
no.
I need to come up with something to do.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Start my own YouTube channel doing what?
Absolutely.
How to bring up twins.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That
no
would
one
be,
ever believes you're twins.
That would be a
You don't
good
look
one.
like twins anymore. Yeah. So yeah, so I thought this would be an ideal weekend to do it, just to clear the head,
Yeah,
blow
definitely.
away some cobwebs.
What did you do before?
I
What?
worked for Pizza Hut.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So, yeah, we go.
Oh, and it's, oh, of course, it's all shut down. It's all shut down.
They closed 68, kept 64.
Oh,
How did they close 64? 16.
Closed 68, kept 64.
yeah.
And yeah, they gave us 10 minutes notice
Oh,
to
no.
get out of the building.
Oh, wow.
It was really heartless. So the parent company that franchised it out took back 64, and the company that had been running all of them just did a runner.
Oh, that's
So,
terrible.
Yeah, they did go
Terrible.
past us as well. So lots
Oh my
of people
God.
are a lot braver than us. But saying that, Charlie, we've got more steps in than everyone else because we walked all the way
Yeah,
back and then all the way back
you,
again.
yeah, you work hard for this.
So we've got lots of steps, haven't we? So yeah, so re-evaluating life now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I hope you get something soon.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
best of luck
Thank
with that.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm sure you will.
Yeah. Yeah. You sort of
Yeah.
get to that point, don't you, where you think, oh, am I hitting that age now where
Yeah,
they're not
that's
gonna...
that's it. That's it. But it depends on your outlook.
Yeah, yeah, it does. And
Have a
he-
positive
yeah.
attitude.
I
And
spoke to my old area manager yesterday, and he was like, "Faye, you'll be absolutely fine."
yeah,
I mean, I was deputy manager there, so I've got that for me.
yeah.
But then my
Yeah.
husband keeps saying, "Take this opportunity, get
Yeah.
out of
Yeah.
doing
That's
nights
it. It
and
is a good
weekends
idea. Yeah,
and do something different." So
yeah.
then we can come down and use our caravan more, can't we?
Yay!
As long as I get something quickly.
That's it. That's it. I'm sure you will.
Otherwise it might go.
I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure you will.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
I'm
Best
sure.
of luck.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
good
It was
luck.
lovely to meet you.
You too. You too.
And we'll keep an eye out.
Thank you. Thank you. Take
No
care.
worries. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. You too.
Someone playing tic-tac-toe. Oh, tic-tac-toe, eh?
Yeah.
Now, time to start our descent.
You ready for this?
It's worth it.